Everybody, I'm going to discuss the difference between hardware control unit and microprogram control unit. These are the two techniques through which we can design control unit, and we know that control unit generate control signal for the computer system. This is one of the important component of computer system. The control unit is generated by either you can generate it with the help of hardware or you can generate it with the help of software. So these are the two different concepts. The first one is my hardware control unit and second one is microprogram control unit. The hardware control unit generates the control signal needed for the processor using logic gates. It mainly generate the control signal for the CPU with the help of logic gates. We know that logic gates mean decoder, encoder. All these logic gates are used for design of hardware control unit. So it is used to generate control signal for the processor using logic circuit. It generates the control signal with the help of micro instruction. It generates with the help of micro instructions stored in the control memory. The micro instructions are loaded into the control memory, and from that part, microprogram control unit access the memory and execute is the micro instruction one by one and generate the control signal. So these generate the control signal with the help of micro instruction stored in control memory. Second point. It is faster compared to hardware control unit. Definitely it is faster as it is directly connected with the hardware, so it is faster as it is directly connected to instruction. So instruction so it is slower relatively. So it is slower relatively than the hardware control unit. So hardware control unit is slower. It is faster, and microcontroller unit is slower. It is more costlier. Definitely it is more costly because to design a hardware control, to design logic gates and other circuit, so we need to invest more money to design the hardware control. But to design microprogram control, as it is instruction based, we can use so it is as it is instruction based, so it is cheaper than hardware control unit. And the fourth point is it is complex decoding and sequential logic. It is very complex in decoding system and complex sequencing logic. It is very complex structure, but it is easier decoding and sequencing logic as it is based on instructions. So it is easier decoding and sequencing logic. Then control functions implemented in hardware. I mean, all the control function are implemented with the help of hardware. W-A-R-E, not W-I-R-E. That is the concept of hardwired control. This is implemented with the help of hardware, and this is implemented with the help of software. I mean, based on instructions. It is difficult to modify. Yes, it is very difficult to modify because all are basically connected with the wire and gate circuits. So it is very difficult to modify or update. It is easy to modify as it is done at instruction level. So you can change any instruction. So the structure, ultimate structure can be easily modified. It can be easily modified. So and last point is used in RISC architecture, and the last point is used in CISC. RISC means used in reduced instruction set computer to design reduced instruction set computer based system. We can use hardware control unit to design complex instruction set based computer. We can use microprogram control unit. So these are the basic concept of hardware control unit and microprogram control unit.